Good afternoon. George Daggett here with Perftech, San Antonio, Texas. We're here once again at the CEDIA show in Denver. Last year was a great show. This year's better yet. We're under the umbrella of the Powerhouse Alliance for Distribution. And what is so unique about what we're doing today is our island router, our original island router, presented last year at CEDIA. We heard a lot of feedback from the community that what the market is asking for is multi-gig ports, now that that's becoming more prevalent, more common, and a rack mount. So you asked and we delivered. And so here's our Island Pro. It's the same software, it's the same code that once again has been derived from our carrier product. 2 years ago, we had exactly one product in our portfolio, our $1 million router that the carriers use. And that same exact technology, that same exact code has been put into our two island routers, and the processing, the packet processing is the star of the show. The internet packets, 2 million packets per second, 13 million packets per second. 4 ports at 1 gigabit. Now we have 6 ports at 2.5 gigabit over copper, and we have 4 ports at 10 gigabits per second over SPF. And the star of the show, of course, is our performance, our simplicity, and our security. We've been bringing award-winning products to the market for 40 years. We're not going anywhere. The market has been exceedingly accepting of how we do things. We do things a little bit differently because we can. It's our code. We get very close to the hardware, and quite simply, we can do things that others folks dream of doing. 1,000 VPN connections at wire speed. That's we use the WireGuard VPN protocol with our own implementations. We have almost no reboots are required. Our carrier products don't need and cannot tolerate reboots, and our products here cannot tolerate a reboot, and we know that. We've designed it as such. It is a wired router by design. We don't attempt to compete with the access points or the other wireless Wi-Fi devices in the marketplace. We stick to our knitting. This is a router, and a router exclusively. The ports are not even switched ports. They're all routed ports. 1,000 VLANs, not a problem at all. We have a smart swap technology that we're not aware of anyone else in the market that has even attempted to deliver what we call smart swap. You plug in the island router on the LAN, give it a couple of minutes. On a very large network, give it 3 minutes, and then we bring in all of the devices, all the MAC addresses, the host names if they're available. We even bring in, I like to say, we inhale all of the VLANs as long as there are not more than 1,000, 1,023 actually. And so we think that once you give it a try, you'll get along with the bandwagon and see that there's just nothing else quite like it in the market today. Our support, US based. We do little things that no one else does, not no one, sorry. We do little things along the way. No power bricks, we don't like them. Line cords only, keeps your racks pretty. On this design for rack mount, if you'd like your ears in the front, you have ears in the front. If you'd like to have your ears in the back, put your ears in the back. And if you'd like to put it on a wall, you can put the ears on the side. We try to think of everything, we always have, and please check out our website. Perftech is the company. You can go to perftech.com, but go to Island Router, islandrouter.com.